Now we're going across the Hamilton's police station, and this is another direction to get to Technics Daley. We're going to take a left onto King Street, sign King Street and down Donald Street. And this is Technics Daley. For you to help us select the next Technics video series. Video series 8. Get a hobby in motorcycle mechanics. You think this will be an exciting video series where we dig deep into 2-stroke and 4-stroke small engine 50cc to 150cc. We believe this video series will be a great video series for persons from age 12, 10, getting a hobby in motorcycle mechanics. Video series B, we will be disassembling a BMW automatic transmission. In this video series, we will have an in-depth look at the makeup of the automatic transmission, the challenges repairing an automatic transmission, and why is Video series C, we will check a BMW E36. Customer was driving, engine overheat, the car stopped starting, 2 different set of mechanics checking, the car still can't start. So we're going to check this car and see what problem has developed because of the overheating issue. In this video series, we will look at a case, a handle that haven't been serviced for a very long time. Customer was driving, car breakdown, can't stop that. Video Series E, the danger of riding fast on the road, especially Bermuda roads. In this series, we will cover many different topics, and some of the topics will be the false sense of security, what is grip, and the many unknown factors surrounding grip. We're going to focus on grip, which is dealing with the total cornering envelope of a car or a bike by the friction component by tire, meaning the tire, the different factors that will affect how the tire stick to the asphalt going around a corner. So that's one type of grip. And then you have also, there's so many other grips. We'll get into some of them in the video, but we won't do every single grip. But I think this is one of the unknown factors that can be easily miscalculated. Grip, traction, friction. All of these factors have a outer limit. Series F. In this series of video, we will deal with the electric car, charging efficiency. We're going to cover many subtopics under charging efficiency. Not all the electricity from the grid make it to your battery. So how can this efficiency improve? Wall-to-wheel efficiency, DC fast charge efficiency, and the phantom drain. In this video, we will restore a BMW 1 Series. We will strip the body, remove all the rubbers, door panels, glass, and we will do a complete body repair and repaint. We're also going to change the color. This won't be your normal change color. Improve the suspension and the engine. This will be a great video, wonderful video, especially for those BMW fans, the apprentice, and just car lovers. Don't forget to let us know your preference of which video series and which one follow next. And you can send us an email, info@technicsdarley, or give us a call, 441-297-5006, or send us a message on Facebook. We're looking forward to get your input. Thank you for watching this video.